What if he pees on your bed?
He won't. Tank, right here. Get it!
He's gonna eat your pants.
Cameron, get some triple A's quickly.
I'm recording this.
Ow.
Put him up on your bed again.
Tank, look! 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 Get it!
Get it, Tank!
Good boy.
He's so confused.
Tank. Whoa!
Are you okay?